Alright, welcome back. It's the end of the month, so the numbers are in for January. So let's not waste any time and go ahead and get into the numbers for January. Alright, so we are in my phone. Here's a little sneak peek for what's going on in February right now. So on the 1st, I've already done close to half a grand for the month. But we're gonna go ahead and click year to date. So click on January. On January, I did $7,774 in sales. So let's go ahead and go into Sellerboard and see, or look deeper into what the numbers are for all of that. So $7,774.45 in sales. I had 406 orders and sold a total of 455 units. I got 7 refunds. My gross profit was $1,903.84, and with expenses and I guess stuff to run the whole business, everything taken out, I ended up with $1,334.50 at the end of the month. So I think December, I think I did like 200 or 300. The next month of that, I got an extra 1,000 from that. So let's see, the ROI was 50% and the profit margins were 17%. And let's also go deeper into what the actual expenses are, because I want to be more transparent about stuff, I guess. So we're going to go into, where's it at? Expenses. Alright, so here are all the expenses for January. So on the 2nd of, oh no, actually, they have it like reversed. It says 1102, so that's actually confusing. Whatever, but let's see. So the first thing that I paid for in January was Tactical Expander, which was $29. No, wait, what the? Oh, I see. Now the stuff is listed above it. Alright, so January. Here's January's expenses. So on the 7th of January, I paid for a UPS pickup and it was $6. The next thing in line was Tactical Expander, which is a software that helps you do product research. It was $29. Paraffin Capital, that's the loan that I have. I paid $81.24. Keepa is a product research software. I paid $20.80 for that. SellerAmp is another product research software. I paid $22.95 for that. Profit Seeker Pro is another software that helps me with product research. I paid $9.95 for that. And then I made another payment to Paraffin for my loan, which was $125.48. I added a new software this month, which was QuickBooks, because I want to see my numbers more better. Because Sellerboard is kind of like, it's a close estimate of everything because I have to like manually put it in. But QuickBooks is like actually connected to my bank account, so the expenses are more accurate there. So I wanted to have something like that so I can actually like know my numbers. I made another payment to Paraffin Capital, which was $237.42. And then the final expense was Sellerboard, which is the software that I'm looking at now, which is $19 a month. So in total, everything that I had to pay for cost $569.34. And I think that's pretty much it for the updates for this month. I think in February, I'm probably going to try to shoot for 5K in sales. I think I could do 5K in sales because I think towards the end of January, I did a pretty decent amount of sales, so my loan payments are going to be pretty high. And the amount that I have to pay back is based on a week-to-week basis of how well I do, and it's 50% of my gross sales. So let's say, for example, one week I did $1,000. So times that by 15%, that's how much I'm going to have to pay for my loan. So, and I did pretty good bit of volume towards the end of the month. So those loan payments are coming. But if you made it towards the end, thanks for watching all the way towards the end, and I'll see you in the next video.